Okay, let's talk about the action bar here at the top. So this bar, it's split in three sections. The left side, I'll just show you. See, the left side, the center, and the right side. Each section can have a series of buttons that are useful for the products. For example, save design. This will save the design, the one that you have here in the save design window. Also, save designs. This will show a pop-up windows for it. It's a bit different. Preview will show you if I add something here. Let's add this and make it bigger. So if I preview it, you'll see that you have the actual preview of the product. You have the print. We have the download preview, which is you can select from here all views or the current view, and you can download PNG, JPEG, SVG or PDF. Let's in this case add PDF. See, and because let's select both view and let's download as, I don't know, PNG. Now we have a zip file with both. This is the back. This is the front, and also the production download. This is the actual file that can be printed. Only the area that is it is inside the bounding box, it's visible. So let me show you. Sorry. So if I open this and the front, you'll notice that this file is really big. It's about 7 megabytes, and it's a huge file. It's just the production version of it. And there is also undo, redo, ruler, zoom, snap to center. This allows the element when selected to snap to center when dragged. There is the reset. There is the info. This can contain any text that you want. There is the export. This is actually exporting a zip file with the product itself, all the assets used, including if you are using fonts. I'm sorry, if you are using text, images, doesn't really matter what you do. They will be here. For example, if I add an image, let's add this one, and if I export now, you will see the image somewhere. See, the image is here, and if you check the JSON file, it will also be here. And you can use this exported product just drop the folder in there, and you have this exact settings here. Okay, there are also a few other buttons. Let me see. Yeah, there is the preview next view, which will add buttons for the view, and there is the total. If this is needed, it will show the total price. Let me show you. So now we have the total. If I add, for example, a text that is $20, this is updated, and it doesn't really matter what you add. If it has a price attached to it, the total will increase. And also we have the views here, the previews. It's the same as this one, but you can add it in the menu. See, now you can set any order that you want here. So let's say I want like this. Just don't forget to add the correct comma here. See, now it's completely different. You can also move from here. For example, let's take this. They will be crowded, so let's just take 2. There will be not enough space for it. You see that, so they are just crowded here, and now this is less. I don't know if this is okay or not, but the idea is that you can take these buttons and put them anywhere in any order. It will work just fine. So another important aspect, let me comment this. So let's say we have only 3 buttons here. by default is set to show list, so it will be a drop down with all the buttons, but if you want to, you can set it left lead side to false, and also on the right side it's already set to false. And now nothing happens. Because there are too many buttons. Let's comment this. See, now we have the buttons showing almost like here, but here it also shows the text right to it, right to the icon. Now if there are too many buttons and there is not enough room, for example, if I resize this, let me show you, at some point it will automatically change to list. See, because there is not enough space for it, only the center part remains unchanged. So the same thing happens if there are by default too many buttons, even though left list is false. If I check now, you'll see by default it's true, because there's not enough space in there. Okay, so this is kind of everything that I wanted to show you. I will just revert back to how it was initially. So in the future probably I will add more options here, but for now we have everything we need. So this is how the bar on top works. If you want to use it, this is how it works.